Hi, today for the Motorola Razr 40 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap the wallpaper section. Click here to my photo stylize or just to curated images, so tap to change wallpaper. So you could use photos from your gallery, downloaded to previously photos from the internet, for example, or to use the wallpapers, just defaults from your device. Just let's select one from the available wallpapers. So I'll use this one, for example. You could here change the position of this wallpaper on the lock screen. You could see the preview, then just tap on the right down corner to OK, select lock screen, and that's it. Just let's wait a couple of seconds. Notification here, we got that wallpaper set successfully, so let's lock the device, and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just first hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to the wallpapers, and by the same way select one from the wallpapers here, select lock screen, OK, oh, not home. Oh, one more time. Wallpapers, OK, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.